Want tomorrow's winning products today? Helium 10 reveals it before the market does. And I already found trending products for horses, a crazy trend that's happening right now. And this product is making $17,000 a month. It's like a horse fly mask, right? Especially during the summer. This is a great product. Again, another mask for horses. This one only has 208 reviews, 39,000. And get this one. This one only has 3 stars. 3 stars. And it's making $9,000 a month because there's no competitors, but it's a high trending product right now. And what it is it's a body shield for horses because flies get on them and then like bite the horses. And it's very, very painful for the horses. But this product, it's got such bad reviews because it's not even high quality. It's extremely low quality and they're selling for $50. Right? So a lot of trends right now that you can find using this one tool, and it's called Helium 10. Now, there's a link in the description to download this tool. Get it for free. You can sign up for free. Pretty awesome. But anyway, the first thing that I did to start finding trends is looking at their product research tool. And that's going to be their black box product research tool. And it's just like ad libs. You just plug and play. And it makes it super easy to find a product. So if I was just looking at pet products. I was like, pet supplies, like what's trending in pet supplies, right? And I said it needs some improvement. It's got medium competition, $30 to $100, and they're making around. I was saying $10,000 a month. So you can start with this. Then I refiltered it a little bit. So I actually clicked edit filters. And I wanted to have something with a lower review count. So I was like, oh, I want to find something that has 50 to 500 reviews, right? A product, the rating's not that good. And I'm okay with them making at least $7,000. Let's edit that again. $7,000 a month. So I'm going to do 7,000. And the price range of, I would say 25 to 120. I applied these filters, and then what it does is it's just finding as many products that meet my criteria as possible. And then again, this is one of the easiest tools. I did Control F, and now I'm just going to look for horse products. And right off the bat, we're finding horse products, right? So this is, again, something for stomp reduction for horses. Potentially another trending product, 3.4 stars, $9,000 a month, another trending product. We've got a lot of different horse products here. And horse spray, horse mesh, horse stable. So again, this is pretty much another horse fly sheet. So these flies are getting the horses. Big trending products. This one's making $44,000 a month. Completely insane. Huge trends. Right now, what I double checked is we went to the tool magnet next. And I just wanted to see, is there any more trends, right, that aren't on this tool? So we can go to magnet. And this magnet, I just typed in horse supplies. So I went here. So now we found like horse products are kind of popular. So now we're going to do horse supplies. And we're just going to click get keywords. Okay. And I already did a search, so I'm going to load it from history. But we want to only look at phrases containing horse. And I want to make sure they at least have like a high search volume of 1,000. So that means people are searching it. I'm going to apply these filters. And now what we're going to do is we're going to check out the trend. Okay, so we see horse track. I don't know exactly what this is. I think this is a adult toy. But hey, again, another, or is this actually for horses? I don't know. Maybe it is for horses. Okay. We'll look at this. So we can open up a whole different category. But what you can see right here is there's a trend score. So you can see horse supplies is trending upward. So this has potential. And we saw that. So first we did some product research. Now we're just looking at horse supplies, seeing what's trending. Horse stuff. And we're just looking at high trending. Let's just filter it by the highest trending products first. And we can see what, okay. Horse fly repellent for humans, horse electrolytes, horse fly spray, horse fly repellent. So again, flies are an issue. So now we know these flies are an issue. not only for horses, but for humans. And now we're just gonna keep looking, and we're gonna see what else we can find. Horse toys. So instead of dog toys, instead of cat toys, what about horses? Horse toys. And again, this is a trending product. So we're just gonna look at these two categories. And the first one, I don't really know what this is, but let's just let it load and let's double check. Okay, so the first one, we're doing horse tack Western. I don't really know. I guess this is some type of horse item. It's not super popular. But the second thing I saw was the horse toys. Okay, so we're looking at the horse toys now. And we can see that this item is making $8,000 a month. Let me filter it. So it's like oh my gosh. It's like a tug of war thing for horses. And they're selling it for $34, making $8,000 a month on the war. We really do make a difference. And you can generate a lot of sales with these items. So horse toys might be the game changer here because there's just not that much competition. You can see the product right here. You can see it's making $8,000 a month. They've got terrible reviews, right? It's probably a low quality item and they're selling it for a lot of money. But again, a great potential item. Horse toys, rubber chicken. Hey, whatever works. Some of these don't even look like, a lot of these toys don't even look like they have horses in it. Like you can't tell it's for horses. So whoever's optimizing these listings are not doing good. Another horse toy, $7,000 a month. Horse jolly ball, $50,000 a month. There's like no competitors. It looks like there's not many competitors in this area. Who is going to give a horse a chicken toy? I mean, it's like, this one actually has a horse in it and it just looks like a yoga ball. And they're still making $12,000 a month. It's just completely insane, a lot of these items. So again, this is how you find trending products. Yes, it does take extra research, but it's fun. You can really go into this tool, look at Black Box, find items, go into Magnet, right? We've got horse shampoo. We've got all these other different items, and that really helps us get ahead. Horse treats, horse hair brush, horse stick, horse grooming kit, horse balloons. I don't even know what the heck. Oh, they're balloons that look like horses. So a lot of different things right here that you can dive into. And this is just one trend that I found. And the horses are gaining traction. Hey, if you have horses, you love horses, you know about horses, this could be the game changer. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel. So we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, finding a product to launch, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. We're going to be finding products for you, managing your customer service, design, SEO, running your ads, contacting Amazon support, and most importantly, growing your sales. The best part about this service is instead of you working on your business and dealing with Amazon, we're going to be the ones that are dealing with Amazon, making sure we're monitoring your business every single day so you can relax, grow your business while we do the hard stuff. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.